Taking of Mintbending Cinema ante God of Psychedelic Rap Have officiële Unit Forces ante First Look at their secret project is already melting te internet. Christopher Nolan is known for keeping his movie sets more geaarded than a government bunker, but the cat is finally out of the bag. In a movie that no onus afkoming, Nolan has cast Travis Scott as the lead in his latest epic titled The Odyssey. This isn't just a music video or a short film. This is a massive 3-hour cinematic journey that is being described as a spate-age reimagining of the klassisch Griekmeid. As a spate-age reimagining of the klassisch Griekmeid. Of the klassisch Griekmeid. Griekmeid. Meite. Der first leaket images of Travis Scott standing on the edge of a yacht, alleen kostline wearing for tourists armor that looks like it was forget in another dimension. Insider zei dat Nolan was blown away by Travis' performance in his previous visual projects and decided hij was de only person who felt captured the chaotic energy of a man lost in time. The film was shot entirely on IMAX cameras in remote locations across the globe, from the black sand beaches of Ikeland to the deserts of Jordan. In like most modern blockbusters, Nolan reportedly revised to his green screens. Forcing Travis to perform his own stunts in some of the most dangerous environments on earth. But the collaboration goes even deeper than acting. Travis is also reportedly executive producing the entire soundtrack, which features a blend of orchestral scores and the trap music. Rumors are swirling that the duo has spent over a year working in a secret studio in London to synchronize the visuals with a revolutionary new audio technology. This project is being highlighted as the most expensive experimental film ever made, and it is already tracking to be the biggest movie event of 2026. Before we get into the rumors about a surprise cameo from a certain Jenner family member. I have to know. Do I think Travis Scott has what it takes to lead a Christopher Nolan masterpiece? Or shall the director have stick with a traditional actor? Drop a comment recht nog and tell me if you are buying a ticket for this. The hype is reaching a fever pitch as fans realize that the Odyssey magit be Nolan's most personal work uit. He has described it as a story about the lengths a person will go to find terwijl back home when the entire universe is working against them. So do I think this will be the movie that finally earns Travis Scott an Oscar nomination. Let me know in the comments if you think this is the most iconic duo in Hollywood history.